Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about this is the best thing DoorDash has introduced. DoorDasher praises new unassigned from order feature for drivers. So the feature of unassigning orders has always kind of been there, but it would normally affect your completion rating. Now they've introduced a feature that allows you to unassign from orders without a penalty. I'm sure this is something they're beta testing. I haven't seen it myself. And a DoorDash driver is praising it for obvious reasons, because this is actually a good thing DoorDash has done. Oh my god, DoorDash did a good thing. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash drivers and gig workers on really any platform, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Last year, DoorDash announced that drivers would be able to unassign orders from themselves if they felt unsafe without incurring any penalty. Okay, so this was actually in addition to the safety features that DoorDash has been introducing. If in the event that a DoorDash driver felt unsafe during a delivery, they can actually unassign from the order without the penalty on their completion rating, because it felt like there was a disconnect. Like, you almost had to choose your safety or keeping your ratings up, and sometimes keeping your ratings up was the difference between you being on the platform and you not being on the platform, depending on how often that you would use that feature. But now this DoorDash driver is praising the concept that you could do that without a penalty, so good on them. Drivers have long had the ability to unassign themselves from an order. However, doing so would affect their completion rate and potentially ruin their chances of them being designated as a top dasher. This change allowed dashers to unassign in situations where they felt unsafe without risking their completion rate. Now, here's the thing about that statement. It was never about top dasher. Maybe for some it was about top dasher, but for the most part it wasn't about top dasher. It was staying on the bigger programs, such as the large order program, the pizza program, and any other program that would normally pay drivers better. Top Dasher didn't really pay anybody better. It just allowed you a little bit more flexibility, and even still, you would end up losing money in the long term. Now it appears the ability to unassign without penalty is being rolled out to more dashers, even in situations where they don't feel unsafe. TikTok user Malikr at Malikr explains the feature in a video with over 14,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm gonna leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. You can now unassign penalty-free, Malik says. Oh baby, did I use this last night? I mean, everything. If I waited more than 2 minutes, unassign. If the person had texted me asking what's taking so long, unassign. I feel like customers that ask you what's taking so long, the customers that are super micromanagey, those customers are the ones that not only rate you poorly, they never tip you. So honestly, those customers you shouldn't be working with anyway. They will put your account at risk, and the fact that we can now unassign from those customers without a penalty, that's pretty solid. It's unclear what criterion is being used to give dashers this feature. Some commenters claim they already had received the feature while not being a top dasher, while others claim that they were top dashers and had not yet received the feature. Further, users question whether the feature has to do with location in which the driver is dashing. So first off, this feature is not a top dasher specific feature at all, by the way. This is a feature that should be given to any driver that feels unsafe. I think it is a market-to-market thing that they're beta testing, but I don't think that this is something that is going to be widespread unless DoorDash is finally realizing, hey, these drivers shouldn't be waiting 20 minutes for a restaurant to do their job. Let's give them this feature too. It also could be very case by case with the restaurant as well. Like, maybe the restaurant is known for having unreasonable wait times, so they're giving drivers the ability to unassign from those restaurants. I don't know, but I think it's a good feature that should be a little bit more widespread. widespread. Regardless, in the comment section, many Dashers were similarly celebratory about this development. I got it as well. Ain't going to Popeyes anymore, a user exclaimed. I mean, if you're not going to Popeyes anymore, wouldn't that make the point of the feature moot because you're not going to the place where you would normally unassign orders? I feel like I'm missing something here. Top Dasher benefits are the best. I'm a Top Dasher too, and now I will be singing this all lunch rush, another added. Is this a new Top Dasher benefit? If it is, I'd actually be pretty annoyed because this is something that should be given to every driver, not just Top Dashers. It happened to me too. I was like, unassign a third share. But there are also drivers that are getting that feature that aren't Top Dashers. I think that there's a disconnect somewhere. Some users hope that an increased ability to pass off orders may lead to better treatment for Dashers. Them folks better tread lightly with these drivers if they want their food detailed, a commenter. That is so true, actually speaking. Because we now have the ability to unassign from an order at will, not only should you be treating the drivers better as customers, the restaurant should be treating drivers better as well. In fact, a restaurant that was on DoorDash but just hopped onto UberEats was actually treating a lot of the new UberEats drivers and DoorDash drivers like absolute trash because they were working slowly, but they were busy. Don't get me wrong. They were absolutely out the door busy, but they had 100 people working with customers in person and 2 people working with the to-go orders. And the to-go orders looked like a stack like this. I'm not even kidding. Imagine this system. You get a receipt, you put a piece of tape on a paper bag, and then you have to complete the order based on what's on the paper bag. And then once you get there, you tell them the name, they take the name out of this giant pile of paper bags, and then they put it on the line. Meaning not only your order is not even started by the time you get there, but it doesn't even enter the queue until you get there. I have to put that place on my no-go list because it's not reasonable. Their parking lot is a pay-to-park parking lot, so I would have to pay a few dollars every time I just want to pick up an order. That doesn't even make sense. They need to get their stuff together. This is the thing that I would say that this kind of feature needs to be added on a universal level, because those type of restaurants need to be put in a more accountable situation. Obviously, there's only so much they could do when the restaurant is out the door busy, and they were, don't get me wrong, but it's insane that is stuff that people get hit rating-wise for. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think that this feature is actually something that should be a little bit more universal, to say the least. And I don't even think that this is something that should be a market-to-market thing or a Top Dasher or not Top Dasher thing. I think everybody should have the option to unassign from the order penalty-free if a few conditions have been met. Either one, you feel unsafe, so it actually makes sense for you to maintain your safety to unassign the order. Number 2, the restaurant is taking an unreasonably long time for the order, and because of that, actually forcing the drivers to wait a lot longer than they should just for the order to start. That's the place that I was just telling you about. They didn't even start the order as long as the 20 minutes took for me to actually get there and be waiting in that time. And number 3, if the restaurant is treating drivers that badly, drivers should just be able to unassign the order and that's it. Yeah, they could just put the restaurant on the no-go list, but the only way that these restaurants are really gonna learn, unless it's hurting their wallet, they're not gonna do the right thing by you. They don't even treat their own people right. What makes you think they're gonna treat us right? Unless it's actually hurting their bottom line. All in all, this is a great feature that I think is going to be very important for drivers across the board. I'm definitely gonna look into this and see if there's any more information on this particular concept. That being said, this is going to be important for any and all drivers because this is the kind of thing that drivers dream about right now. And that's sad to say, but this is a very important thing for everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!